Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of pteridophytes, and aim of today's practical is study of transverse section of Lycopodium stem. Lycopodium, it is a pteridophytic plant. Let us see the anatomy or transverse section of Lycopodium stem. Let us see the requirement. We need the classwork material of Lycopodium stem: slide, cover slip, blade, safranin brush, plotting paper, needle and the microscope. These are the requirement of practical. And in procedure, what we have to do? We have to take a very thin transverse section of given material of Lycopodium stain, and that stain we have to dip in a drop of safranin, and we have to remove from that, and we have to mount that section in a drop of glycerin. And this is a temporary slide preparation, and then we have to observe that slide under the microscope, and we have to note all the details of internal structure of the stem of Lycopodium. In observation, what we have to write here is that the stems may have ridges and grooves. It has ridges and grooves, and the outermost layer of the stem, it is known as epidermis. Epi means outer, dermis means skin, and this epidermis, it is a single layer. It is made up of single layer of cells. Okay. The epidermal layer is interrupted by natural openings, and those natural openings are called as stomata. Next. And histologically, the mature stem of aerial branch of Lycopodium that consists of three zones, that is outer cortex, middle cortex and the inner cortex. Cortex region, it is placed below the epidermis, and the entire cortex is divided into three parts, that is outer cortex, middle cortex and the inner cortex. The outer and innermost cortex regions are few layered in thickness, which is made up of sclerenchymatous cells. Okay, these are the thick walled cells that gives mechanical support to the stem. And the middle cortex is made up of cholenchymatous cells, which is many layered and broader region of the cortex, and it is situated between outer and inner cortex. Okay, there is single layered endodermis, which is situated below inner cortex. In mature stem, the endodermal layer is not clearly defined. There are various types of steels occur in different species of the stem of Lycopodium. The Lycopodium cernum, it is a species, consists of hypnostele in which the xylem plates are scattered in the phloem. Okay, next. The metaxylem is occupied at the central region of the stem, and the protoxylem situated at the peripheral region. Hence, it is exarch type of xylem. The tracheids in the metaxylem may have bordered pits that appear spherical in shape. The sieve elements of phloem are elongated with narrow ends. Okay, there are no companion cells in phloem tissue. Companion cells are absent. The leaf traces are present. This is the photograph shown in the slide. That this is the transverse section of Lycopodium stem.